And this initiative is blockchain. We have two big ones underway. One with the Dutch government, KLM, the Canadian government, Montreal Airport. And this one is about that whole seamless journey with biometrics. And the other is in the spirit of the IATA 753 resolution, which is all about tracking your bag, similar to how you track a parcel, end to end. I want to talk a bit about the baggage one. One of the reasons why we picked blockchain is because we looked at technology to solve a very common problem that is not unique to us as an airport, but to many other airports. And that is information sharing. You see, that exchange of information between third parties and airports oftentimes is not timely. Oftentimes, the factuality of that information can be questioned. And we look to blockchain as a means to solve these problems. Blockchain, if done correctly, commits information in a governed manner. Every event is a block, and it creates a sequence, an unbreakable sequence, which is why it's called blockchain. And essentially, it's nothing more than a general ledger of events, factual events, that are generated as facts generate themselves. We started working with airports out west, in Edmonton. We started working with airports nearby, like Montreal, carriers like WestJet, and there are many other airports that we were in conversation to get them on board with this big project. And really interesting questions began to emerge. Questions about, as you start building blockchain, what kind of common architecture could we potentially be building between all these different airports as a collaborative model? What about the governance model, per se, in terms of how we commit all this information between all these airports? What about monetizing this information? If there's opportunities to monetize that, how would that model work? How would it look? I don't have the answers to all of these questions. We're still talking about it as we speak. But if there's one thing I can tell you all, is that this is a very promising area, and I'm very excited about it, and this is one to look out for. And with that, I'd like to thank you all, and I know I'm holding you between you yourselves and lunch, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Thank you.